Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate a simple mobile SIM card. First, power off your phone and insert the simple mobile SIM card into your SIM slot. Then turn your phone back on. Next, activate your SIM using one of two methods. First, text activation. Send a text with the word 1 to the number shown on your screen. Second, call activation. Call Simple Mobile Customer Service and follow the automated instructions or speak to our representative. Next, once activated, restart your phone. Test your SIM by making a call or sending a text to confirm it's working. And that's it. Your Simple Mobile SIM card is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.